Hey, what's up, junkies? Saturday morning. Got a delivery today. In the, almost said patrol car. That's been a long time ago. I'm in the van. We got a little trailer behind us. It's good. A little box trailer or a truck with a lift. You know, anything to help your back. I've got a little. This van can pull a little trailer, and I like to get my stuff because I can fit about 5 appliances back there. Well, everything but fridges in this one. But they don't get dirty, nobody can see them, but a little trailer works. You want to have a big trailer if you can get one to get big stuff or get big loads. Like later today, we're going to show you. I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to pick up some more appliances in a deal we struck with a rent one, actually about 6 of them, and I'm going to show you how to get some really cheap, almost free appliances, and I'll kind of show you what trailer I use for that and how that kind of works, where we're getting them for $5 a piece, appliances, whether they work or don't, and we get a lot of speed queens and stuff like that in those deals. So anyway, right now we're headed to a delivery. Sold a washing machine that we got for free from another delivery. And this customer has a direct drive washer they're going to give us. As you've probably figured out by now, it takes us all of 30 minutes to fix a direct drive washer no matter what's wrong with it. So we know we'll flip that one around. I've got one in the trailer now that I fixed the other night. Going to put it on website for sale on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to talk more about that in a coming video too, how to get a bunch of those ads and sell that stuff for free without having to build click funnels and all that kind of stuff. Now, I'm going to have some videos showing you how to do those click funnels and everything, but for now we're keeping it really simple, just getting free stuff or really cheap stuff and flipping it. So anyway, tune back in. I'm about to pull into the warehouse. Tune back in when we go pick up those appliances. Guys, so let me switch around here. So here's what I'm talking about, man. So you know, you work these deals. We work this deal with Rent One, and we're getting these units $5 a piece, whether they work or not. And what we find, man, is most of these are coming back because the customer came in and wanted like a matching set, so they haul off their old stuff. But we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 units on this load. And man, just get you a trailer, get you a truck, or you can hire that out. You ain't got to have it. But dude, I'm going with $45 spent here. There's $2,000 or $3,000 worth of stuff, whether we scrap it or whether we fix them and sell them. And we're actually headed to another Rent One today, just on a Saturday afternoon. And I've got 5 more to pick up there. So we'll have a whole trailer load full. I've got a 20-foot trailer. And it's crazy, man. It's good money. I'll update you on what we do with some of these and you know, which ones we decide to scrap. We test them all, clean them, and just kind of where they go from here money-wise. All right, buddy.